What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is to press on the volume up button and the power button at the same time. As you can see, the screen flickers and the screenshot is taken here. It's on the bottom left corner of my screen. If I don't do anything, it'll just automatically save to my gallery. But let's say we want to edit it. So I'll take another one quickly. And let's press on it here on the bottom left corner and it'll open the editing screen. I can crop it. I can draw on it or with different kinds of markers or erase what I did. And when I'm done with it, I can just click on done here on the top left corner and I can save it to photos, to my gallery or to files. And if I want to delete it, I can go ahead and delete it. If I want to share it, I can press on the share icon on the top right corner to send it to a friend or to share it to a social media account or any website.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.